All right, we got everything put together, but the most important part of your new grill, no matter if it's the Trek, the Ledge, the Peak, it doesn't matter. The auger is empty when it's brand new, so you have to prime the grill. And priming is basically filling up that auger. If you have the Trek, it's probably gonna take 2 times. The Ledge 3 and the Peak, which is this one, it's gonna take 4 times. So what we're gonna need to do is get the grill turned on so it's in the off position, and we're gonna start it. When you start your new grill, it goes from 0 to 1 and then goes to 2. So 0 is basically turning that auger and starting to get some pellets going. And now when 1 comes up, that means it's gonna start heating the element. So as soon as this gets to 1 on the front of the grill, which is why I have the cord with me here, as soon as it gets to 1, I don't want that getting hot, there's no pellets in there. So as soon as it gets to 1, I'm gonna unplug it. Then I'm gonna plug it in, we're gonna start it over, and we're gonna do that until I see pellets consistently feeding out of here. That is priming your grill. All right, so we've run this 3 times already. This is gonna be the 4th time. We're gonna run it. It's on 0. Now on the 3rd time, a couple pellets went in there, but we basically want to make sure there is a consistent feed of pellets. So I think we're going to be good on this time because it is the first time we're going to put just a few more pellets in there to start it, but otherwise from now on you are good to run this grill. As soon as this turns to 1, that is going to start heating, the element is going to start heating, and it's going to actually start our wood pellets. And then we have a grill that's going to start up and run. We are done unplugging it at this point. Actually, if you look in here, there is quite a bit of pellets. So we have a constant feed of pellets. That's actually going to start heating, and it's going to start our grill. So that is how to properly prime your grill. Definitely do not miss this step.
Summarize it again.
All right, so real quick in summary, to prime this grill, you want to leave this go from 0 to 1 and then unplug it on 1. Do that over and over and over on the Peak. So about 4 times it took on the Peak. We want to make sure there is a constant feed of pellets in here before we start this grill. So that is how to properly prime your grill, and it's probably going to save you a call to Green Mountain if you do this properly, because you don't want to get a piece of meat on here and have your grill burn out. That would be bad. Thanks for watching. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we will see you later.
Does it say keep calm and prime on?
Keep calm, prime on. Actually chive, but we just primed it, so prime on. Fun fact, Tim, you know why they renamed these to the Trek, the Ledge, and the Peak? Well, the old ones were the Davy Crockett, the Daniel Boone, and the Jim Bowie. And basically they started selling so much internationally, nobody knew those people. So,
What?
yeah, they went with a mountain theme. So you got the Trek, you got the Ledge, and you got the Peak. This is the Peak, this is the best, this is the top. Welcome to the Peak, my friend.
Cook me something.
It's fun being at the top.
Cook me something.